In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to multiply and divide integers. This is video number 4. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, we're going to talk about the assignment tonight. After completing the assignment, you should be able to multiply and divide integers. The rules for multiplying integers, we'll go over that first in the handout. We have the multiplying and dividing triangle. Then we're going to do a couple guided practice problems, 6 of those. And then you have some practice problems here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and begin. Take out that homework sheet. Multiplying and dividing triangle. This is how the triangle works. Okay. If you have 2 negatives, cancels out. If you have 2 numbers that are negatives, they make a positive when we multiply and divide. Okay. If you have a positive and a negative, okay, leaves you with a negative answer. And if you have 2 positives, multiplying and dividing, like we always have, the answer is positive as well. So we're going to do multiplying and dividing. We're not going to change how to multiply or divide. Same thing, same way. The only thing is we have to adjust the sign that goes on the problem. Okay, so let's look at number 1. We have negative 7 times 8. What we're going to do is look at that triangle, and I'm going to cross out what I have. I have a negative sign, okay, and I have a positive sign. So I cross out the positive sign. So my answer is going to be negative. So I'm going to put a negative here. And 7 times 8 has always been 56. So my answer is negative 56. Questions on that one? Okay, let's go ahead and go on to number 2. We have negative 50, or negative 5 times negative 8. We're going to mark out a negative for the 5. We're going to mark out a negative for the 8. So our answer is positive. Okay, when 2 numbers back up and separated by parentheses, it's an understood operation of multiplication. So we're going to do 5 times negative 8. And our answer is going to be positive. Okay, so we can put a positive sign here. We don't want to put it in our answer. 5 times 8 is 40. So our answer is 40. Let's take a look at practice problem number 3. Again, we have 12 times negative 7. We're going to mark out a positive for the 12, mark out a negative for the 7, and our answer is going to be negative. So let's go ahead and put that negative in our answer. Then 12 times 7, 14, carry our 1, 7 and 1, 7, and 1 is 84. So our answer is negative 84. For number 4, 22 times negative 5. Okay, we're going to cancel out a positive and a negative, and our answer is going to be negative. So let's rewrite this, stack it so that we can solve it. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10, carry our 1, 2, 5 and 2 is 10, and 1 is 11. So our answer is negative 110. For number 5, we have 2 negatives. Okay, block them off, and we're dividing by negative 8. So our answer is going to be a positive. And we're going to do this. We're going to take 8 into 64. 8 goes into 64 8 times. So our answer is 8. Number 6. Now we're going to step it up a little bit. Number 6. Okay. Fractions are just division. So we have 1,558 divided by negative 38. Okay. Top number is a positive, so we're going to cross out that. Bottom number is a negative, so we're going to cross out that. So our answer is going to be a negative. Well, now we have to create the division problem. We're going to have to do some division here. Okay. Our divisor is our denominator. It's going to be negative 38. Our numerator is our dividend. We're going to put that underneath the sign. Then we're going to see negative 38 goes into 15 can't, 158. It's going to go, well, let's do the math. 38, and we want to see how many times it goes into 155. So let's try 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry our 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 is 5 for 15. So 152. So we're going to put the 4 above the 155 and subtract 152. And what we end up with is 3, and then bring down our 8. Okay, 38 goes into 38 one time. Subtract 38, and we have no remainder. Okay, so our answer, 41. Bring it up here. We're going to put it with our negative sign because we know from our triangle that our answer is negative 41. Okay, so long division there. Now, go ahead and pause the video and complete the practice problems. When you start the video again, I'll have the answers up here for you to go ahead and check those 8 practice problems that are at the bottom of your page. And now that you started the video, I assume that you've done the 8 practice problems. So let's check your work. Here are your answers. Okay, check those. Write down any questions that you have from tonight's video and bring them to class tomorrow. Okay, and then we'll go over those questions and we're going to pick up in class tomorrow where we left off with this video. Okay, see you in class tomorrow. Take care. Bye.